Protected areas are considered the main conservation strategy and at the same time represent one of the most important attractions for national and international visitors. Buffer zones around of popular protected areas have a potential risk to suffer a great pressure for territory, mainly for the construction of tourist infrastructure. We study the situation of the Manuel Antonio National Park and its buffer zone located in the Pacific coast of Costa Rica. There is a paradox because the national park was created to protect nature, but at the same time, it became a popular tourist attraction, which stimulated an unplanned tourist growth in the buffer zone, generating impacts through the negative land cover change on the biophysical environment. The analysis covered 30 years period since 1900 to 2020. The impact on landscape scale was conducted by determining the degree of anthropization using the relative integrated anthropization index. The result of anthropization with the tourist use were related through the location of the tourist infrastructure for the years 2020, the determination of the annual visitation growth rate to the Manuel Antonio National Park, and a bibliographic analysis of 15 technical and scientific sources to support the results. One of the most relevant findings is that there was an increase in the anthropization index. Since the 80s, the construction of hotels and restaurants began to expand. In 2020, 501 different types of tourist or vacation related infrastructure were identified. The annual visitation growth rate to the Manuel Antonio National Park between 1979 and 2019 was 1,704, and in the period under study, this growth reached 291 approximately. The highest concentration of tourist infrastructure occurs mainly in sites with a high value of anthropization index.